I think a lot of humans' brain problems are like evolutionary like that. Like anxiety, even if you don't have, a clinical anxiety disorder, I think most people experience anxiety to some extent. 'Cause anxiety is definitely an evolutionary trait. To keep you alive, you have to be a bit paranoid about things that could happen. Brains need updated firmware. I know. I wish I could patch you guys, but it's a bit outside of my purview. I don't know. Maybe if you return to nature, come live in the wilderness with me, you won't have to deal with anxiety anymore. Because all you have to worry about is things like bears and hypothermia and fires. Yeah. Doesn't sound so bad, right?
Wait a minute!
And bugs, See, bugs will be the least of your worries, unless they're particularly poisonous type.